In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the time warp waterfall filter on TikTok. So once you've loaded up TikTok, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the discover option next to the home button at the bottom. And then you want to tap on the search bar, and then you want to search for time warp waterfall. And as you can see, it says effects at the top and it says time warp waterfall. But if it doesn't say effects there at the top with the effect there, you can tap on videos and then you can pretty much select any one of these videos. So I'll go ahead and tap on the second one, and then you can see what the filter looks like. And then above the person's username, it has a little effects icon and it says time warp waterfall. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to take you to the effects page, and then you can either add it to your favorites by tapping on add to favorites, or you can try it from here by tapping on the little record button at the bottom. And this is what the filter looks like. You can go ahead and hold down the record button and record your video, and then once that's done, you can go ahead and post that to your TikTok, and that would be how you get the time warp waterfall filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.